We recently discovered this new product by Vox Building Materials. These are ready to install panels which can be used on ceilings as well as walls. These come in various sizes and even colors. This is the shade that has been shortlisted by us for our project, and here is how we are envisioning it to look. These fronto slab panels are ideal to use on walls and building ceilings as it is lightweight, water resistant and very easy to maintain. This product comes with a 10-year warranty. These can be used in interiors as well as exteriors and can be placed horizontally or vertically to create a beautiful pattern.
Wooden finished ceilings that are cheaper, stronger and quicker than using actual wood. This is something we have used on so many projects and genuinely swear by. Doing an actual wood ceiling is not only time consuming and expensive, it's such a pain to maintain, and that's where Vox panels come in. They're lightweight, easy to clean, fast to install. They don't react at all to weather fluctuations and looks exactly like wood. It won't warp with time, it won't need repolishing, and thanks to the thermal printing technique, this finish looks exactly like wood. Use this on a wall, a ceiling, horizontal, vertical, indoors, outdoors, and save time, money, and most of all, maintenance.